How to connect TikTok to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will show you how to connect your TikTok account to Facebook. This is super handy for sharing your content across the platforms and reaching a wider audience. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are inside the TikTok, head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now here on the profile page, you can see your username. Simply tap on your username to copy it to the clipboard and a notification will be confirmed that it's been copied. Now once you are done with that, simply close the TikTok and open the Facebook app. Once you have opened the Facebook app, simply head to the profile page. And once you are in the profile page, simply tap on the edit profile button. Once you have done that, simply scroll down to find the links section. Once you have found it, simply tap on add button. And once you see this interface, simply tap on add social link and select TikTok as the platform. Once you have selected that, simply paste your TikTok username into the field and tap add. And once you have done that, tap save to confirm your changes. Once you have done that, simply return to your Facebook profile page. And on here, you will be able to see TikTok link added to your contact information. And that's it. You have successfully connected your TikTok profile to your Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.